Hey geeks, Tim Tibbetts with MajorGeeks.com. Today looking at Microsoft Edge Administrator Mode detected. This is an error that's been coming and going with the Chromium-based Microsoft Edge. It'll show up, it'll disappear, and you'll see this right here. Just like that when you open Microsoft Edge. It's happened a couple of times. This most recent one was just fixed when at the time I did this video. So if you are getting it, one thing you want to check right away is see if Microsoft Edge has an update, because you may not need to be bothered with it. If it does not and you have this message, you want to go into user account control settings with search. So let's just type in UAC. It's a real quick and easy fix. Go to change user account control settings. If your slider is down here at the bottom, this is what is causing the problem. So just bring it up one, click on OK, click on yes to confirm, and then come back in maybe a week. Set yourself a reminder somewhere. Microsoft will fix it and you won't have to bother with it again. That's it. Nice quick tip for today for the Microsoft Chromium Edge Administrator Mode detected. Thanks as always for watching. We'll see you next time.